Okay, so let's look at this interesting rule here in British English. When the words end in a vowel and the L is doubled. So the L is doubled, multiplied by 2. And remember, vowels. So vowel equals A, E, I, O, U. Okay, very nice. So travel, E-L, E-L, turns into travelled, L-L-E-D. Makes sense. Traveller, L-L-E-R. Yeah, it's not travelled, traveller, traveller. No. It's 2 L's. Travelled, traveller, traveller. Fuel, F-U-E-L, E-L. Jewel, J-E-W-E-L, J-E-W-E-L. Fuel. Marvel, marvel. Marvel. Wow. And jewel, maybe like a precious stone. Sapphire, perhaps. Yeah. So we double the L when it's a vowel and L. But in American, the L is not doubled. Oh. It's literally these. Travel, travelled, traveller. Fueled, jeweler, marvelled. Very subtle. Worth understanding. Worth being aware about. Yeah. So again, the vowel, the L is doubled. Travel, travelled. Jewel, jewelled. Fuel, fuel. Marvel, marvelled. How cool is that, language explorers? It's these subtle nuances, these subtle differences that are worth understanding. Because sometimes I'm online and I type the word in, say in English, say English with E-L-L-E-D, for example, and it says, no, it's mistaken. It's this instead. But because I know that this is American, I know that although in some ways the correct spelling by the search engine, like Google's definition, but really, British English, again, being consistent, choose one, be consistent with it, it's L-L-E-D. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.